Sometimes basic settings in Windows can be quite annoying. Take for example the history of the File Explorer. Suppose a family member dropped by unexpectedly at your place and you accidentally open the File Explorer and your history pop-ups in front of them. No, I'm not that kind of person or even talking about those things, but there are some things like this that you don't want to show, right? Let me show you how to fix that history issue or even remove them permanently from your File Explorer and use the PC without any hesitation. First of all, you need to open the File Explorer, and then what you need to do here, the first thing you need to set it on this PC. As you can see in my case, when you open the File Explorer, it's just popping up this PC instead of quick access and history, all that stuff. So for that, go into the view, options, and then open File Explorer as this PC and hit apply. Your half problem has been solved. So whenever you open the File Explorer, you will see this PC. Now you can also remove the history and actually permanently remove the history option. Just go into the view, then options, and once you are here, just uncheck these both options: show recently used file in quick access and show frequently used folders in quick access. Also click on clear, hit apply. Okay, that's it. So now whenever someone try to check your recently history, whatever you are opening or browsing on your PC, it will not popping up over here. That's it. If you found today's videos helpful, please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you are facing any issue, please let me know in the comment section. As you guys know, we are working on suggested topic. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.